Hello, I'm Alex and get ready for 1 minute liner. Now, get some tape that will not rip your skin off. Place on the desired angle and repeat on the other side as symmetrical as possible. Grab a matte eyeliner and draw on your liner, starting with lining your eye, then do a wing liner connecting it to the liner. Repeat on the other side and let it dry. Peel as carefully as possible to reveal a liner sharper than your feature. Hope you guys had a wonderful Christmas and Happy New Year's. Thank you guys so much for watching. Comment, subscribe, and like if you'd like, and I'll see you next time. Bye!